Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious McDonald's-style sauce using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, and 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. For seasoning, grab 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic and onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Don't forget a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, let's start mixing. Take a medium-sized bowl and add 1 full cup of your favorite mayonnaise. Next, carefully measure and add 2 generous tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. This provides a crucial tangy and slightly sweet element. Finally, incorporate 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, stirring everything together until it forms a smooth, consistent base for our sauce. With our base mixed, it's time to add the essential seasonings that truly define this sauce. Introduce 1 full teaspoon of white vinegar. This brightens the flavor profile significantly. Then, add 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder for that savory depth. Lastly, sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of paprika for color and a subtle warmth, along with a small pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. Once all ingredients are in the bowl, whisk them together thoroughly until the sauce is completely smooth and uniform. For the best flavor development, cover the bowl and refrigerate your sauce for a minimum of 30 minutes. This crucial chilling time allows all the distinct flavors to meld and deepen, creating that authentic taste. Enjoy your delicious homemade sauce with your favorite meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.